The story of God told and revealed from the very mouth. God. Now you see, Palladians, Syrians, and a whole lot of galactic thing. They used to play around, they're all friends and all that. And live before Earth. This is before Earth. So somebody played around and they created a beautiful being, but on four-legged, which was going to be like part wolf, part, dog. Then one of the friends who was a frenemy, unbeknownst, when the creation of Earth was done and it just began, decided to make fun of God, saying the animal will be called a dog. And the dog story evolved and evolved for millions of years. Yes, dogs are that old. And it just, when you tell a story from one tongue to the next tongue, and when you get to the fourth tongue, it's not dog anymore, it's gudud or something like that. So this thing just came around the same way as the Bible is, how they wrote about him, she, it. That's God. Him, she, it. He's everything. She is everything. He is everything. And then, so the earth was created, and it was all like a unified compilation of like parents wishing to take the love that's in them and create an abundance, and this abundance in human form and a whole lot of more. And so humans were created. Along the way, it got to be a monopolized thing. It got to be like, hey, me, hey, me. And the naughty ones became really not good at being naughty and became really bad. And that's where the evil began. And when that, it just continued and continued. And when people get incarnated, they remember instead of doing good, they just go and do the bad. And some have signed contracts never to die, like never to leave their physical human body. So they keep finding ways to evolve into them, into another, clones forth and such. This has been happening for thousands of years. So my babies, my children, you've asked, you want God to be black? She comes, she be black. You want God to be blonde? She comes, be blonde. Make up your mind, because God is you. I am God. I greet you, God, because all of us, we got wings, we got spark, stars, we are infinity, and it's time to wake up.